how to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you see professional dashboard on your profile, then it simply means that you are using the professional mode. So in order to switch back to personal account, then tap on the professional dashboard option on your profile and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Further, here you will see the option for switch account type. So tap on the switch account type option you see there and then tap on the switch to personal account option. Now, once you tap on it, a confirmation will appear, so tap on the switch to personal account option again, and with this, if you go back to your profile and then refresh your profile, as you can see, the professional dashboard is no longer here, which means you have switched back to personal account. So this was about how you can switch back to personal account on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.